Lofty versus Follow-Up Boss. Lofty is an all-in-one AI-powered real estate platform that mixes CRM, lead generation, marketing automation, and IDX websites into a unified system. Follow-Up Boss, on the other hand, is a streamlined lead and communication-focused CRM famous for its robust integrations, built-in dialer, and ease of use. So, Lofty offers end-to-end platforms with AI assistant and lead gen. It also has AI-driven insights, and it offers agent and broker feedbacks. The problem is, it has reliability concerns and higher ad costs. Now, Follow-Up Boss, on the other hand, offers fast lead response and routing. It automatically imports leads from 200 plus sources and routes them intelligently. It also offers built-in calling, texting, and email, and they have a smooth user experience. The only problem is there's no native site builder. There's also the cost which adds up based on the pricing per user, and they have data ownership issues. But overall, which one is better? Well, it depends. Choose Lofty if you want a feature-complete AI-enhanced CRM with built-in lead generations, and choose Follow-Up Boss if your priority is personal productivity, lightning-fast lead response, and communication workflows.